Want to buy Bitcoin on the go? In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to purchase Bitcoin directly on Bybit app. Let's get started. I'm showing this process on Bybit mobile app. You can download it from your Google Play Store or Apple Play, then open your account. Now go to your Bybit app. Here you are in your Bybit account dashboard. Now click on Asset and here you can see Deposit, Withdraw, Transfer, Convert. Just simply click on Deposit option. Now select the first one, which is recommended, Bybit AUD. Here you will get to enter your amount and you can also change your currency from here. I'm selecting Bitcoin. You can select other currency as well, but today's video is about buying Bitcoin, so I'm selecting Bitcoin. After selecting currency, enter your amount you want to buy. Tap next. Here is your payment option. Now you need to choose one of them to continue your purchase. I'm going with the bank card. So you can see they only accept Visa, MasterCard from UK, Korea and other European countries. Now you only can go to the next steps. You can continue your purchase only by filling your credentials here and agreeing with their terms and conditions. Hope you understand the process. Thanks for watching.